Istanbul is one of those cities where you can discover a piece of history, culture, and everyday life almost on every street. This time, I'm taking you with me on a short walking tour through the historic heart of Istanbul, around Sultanahmet, one of the city's most famous and fascinating neighborhoods. This is a place where the past and the present seem to live side by side. As you walk through these streets, you can see magnificent historic architecture, while at the same time experiencing the everyday rhythm of the city. Tourists, local shops, cafes, and people going about their day. My walk starts right here, and along the route you'll get a glimpse of the unique atmosphere of Istanbul's historic center. Some of these streets may look ordinary at first, but behind almost every building and around every corner, there is a story connected to the long history of this incredible city. What I love about Istanbul is that it's not just a destination you visit. It's a city you really have to walk through, look around, and experience at your own pace. So, this time, there's no rush. Just walk with me and discover Istanbul from a different perspective. Through the eyes of a pedestrian, on the real and lively streets of this beautiful city. I hope you enjoy this little walk through Istanbul.
Çalışmak